Rose-Hulman Ventures best serves the mission of Rose-Hulman Institute of Technology by creating situations where students actively engage with corporate partners on projects that are of strategic value and importance.
Indiana automotive companies are very committed to working with higher education. If you look at what's happened in the past, there's only isolated instances of partnerships actually forming and existing for a long-term basis. That's something that we want to change, but to do that, we really want to highlight some successes early. And so we handpicked Remy and Rose-Hulman to move forward with one of these partnerships with the hope that we're going to be able to show the rest of the state how much value can come out of this type of collaboration.
It was a perfect opportunity to engage in a conversation and see where it would take us. I think it helps not only the students that are involved, I think it helps the educational institutions, and I think it also helps the corporations.
The Rose Ventures program allows the companies they collaborate with to maintain and to keep all of the intellectual property that comes out of the partnership, which is really unique among higher education partnerships.
We had probably 30 different possible engineering projects that we could work on based on better understanding the kind of capabilities that they had, as well as what they thought would be the best type of student projects. We ultimately picked a project that was really a big problem for us that we needed a solution for. We didn't happen to have enough resources to apply to it and actually drive it to closure.
The project we selected was one where we were trying to simulate the speed variation that an alternator experiences on an engine. We kind of specified what we wanted the test stand to do and kind of let them run with it.
To build the test stand, I had to communicate a lot with our client, Greg, get exactly their needs, what they wanted out of this, some goals, see how we could, as best we could, simulate an engine inside this lab.
As the project managers, we basically serve as mentors to them and also, point of contact for our client.
The students have received experiences that they will never receive in the classroom. Remy has received an end product at a lower cost than it could get in the marketplace generally.
For me, it was a win-win all the way around.
In the end, we got a test stand that we could actually do engineering development work on.
I think it was the perfect project, and our plans are now to go back to that list of 30 and start to whittle through what would be the next right project to work on.